Wanna hear some crazy fun facts about elephants? Did you know they are the only mammals that can't lift all four legs off the ground while running? And here is the kicker: they grow 6 sets of teeth, with some weighing up to whopping 10 pounds each. Their sense of smell is simply astounding. They can detect water from 3 miles away. While they may appear all skin, elephants are actually covered in hair. Oh, and just like human babies with their thumbs, baby elephants suck on their trunks for comfort. Talk about adorable, those enchanting 5-inch eyelashes simply captivating. But wait, it gets better! Elephants can literally hear with their feet, picking up sound vibrations. They're linguistic wonders too, distinguishing between different human languages. Their memory is legendary. Some claim they never forget a thing. And yes, they don't drink water with their trunks. Elephants are herbivores and can consume up to 600 pounds of food in a single day, primarily consisting of grass, leaves, and fruits. September 22nd is Elephant Appreciation Day.